Hi, welcome to Chris Cook for YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing a fast and easy recipe. This is going to be triple layer, no bake lemon pie. So let's get started with the ingredients that you're going to need to make this delicious pie. Now I'm going to be using two of them. Of course, I will put your recipe in the description box, and it will be for only one pie. You're going to need whipping cream. You can use the no mix whipping cream that they have in the store, Cool Whip or Dream Whip. Either one of those, you can use that. Lemon, fresh lemon, instant lemon pudding mix, milk, some powdered sugar, and you're going to need 1 graham cracker crust. And this is an 8-inch graham cracker crust, but I'm going to be making 2, so I have 2 of the graham cracker crust sitting here because I don't think 1 pie will be enough for my family. So I'm going to go away, get myself all arranged, and I'll be right back to show you how to put together this triple layer, very, very good lemon pie. Be right back. Okay, now I'm back and I'm ready to put together this this quick pie. This is my lemon jello. This is an instant pudding mix, and it is the 3.4 ounce containers. I have 2 of them because I am making 2 pies. Now, I like mine a little bit sweeter than it actually is. I didn't mention this in when I read you the ingredients, and the reason B is because this is not necessary. That's just something personal, so I've added like a tablespoon of sugar to it because I like mine to be just a little bit sweeter. Now, it also calls for 4 cups of milk, 2 cups if you're making only 1 pie, but I'm going to put 1 3/4 cup of milk for each pie. So that works out to be a little bit under, it's like 3.5 cups of the actual milk that I'm going to be putting in here. You don't have to do that. You can follow the instructions to a T, but I like a little bit stiffer pie, so that's why I'm doing that. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend this up, and this is going to take a minute for me to blend it. Once I get this all blend, then I'm going to take, it becomes very, very simple at that point, because then I'm just going to put in the lemon pudding mix at the bottom. Then I'm going to blend some whipped cream with the pudding mix that I leave in the bowl, and I'm going to fold that together, put that down as the second layer of the pie, and then the third layer of the pie will be the leftover whipping cream. Now, how fast and simple is that? Real simple, real easy, can't mess it up, but very, very delicious. So I'm going to continue to stir this for maybe about another 2 minutes, and I'll bring you back as soon as I get the stirring process completed. Be right back. Okay, now it's at this point that I'm going to go ahead and add my 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm going to stir that in kind of quick. All right, now that is done. I'm going to let this sit. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and make up my whipping cream. The whipping cream calls for 1.5 cups for 1 pie, 3 cups for 2 pies. So I'm going to go ahead, and you need to beat this to the peak. Once it peaks, then you're going to add your powdered sugar. And once you add your powdered sugar, that's pretty much all you need to do, except for to add it onto your pie. So I'm going to go ahead. Here is my lemon pudding mix, and it's already set. I'm going to go ahead and mix this. Now this is going to take a minute before it becomes stiff. Just wanted to show you what to do, so I'm going to go away and allow this to beat up. And once I get to the stick point, I'll bring you right back. I'll be right back. Okay, now you're back, and this has peaked. Just want to show you. Okay, this is at its peak. How do you know it's at its peak? Because it's holding firm on the blenders and it's not dropping back into the bowl. That's how you know that it's peaked. So it's at this point that I'll go ahead and put in the powdered sugar to give it a little bit of sweetening. And I'll blend that in. Okay. Now once I have that blended in, I could take my beaters out. Then I will go ahead and start to put together this delicious pie. Okay, now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to add the instant pudding mix. So I'm going to stir this to make certain that I have everything from the bottom. And it's a triple layer, and you'll see me turn it into 3 layers real quick. This is my first layer. Now I'm going to put in about 1.5 cups on the bottom. I'm taking just a little bit out of here because it looks like this one may be a little bit healthier than the other. So okay, so you're going to spread that around the bottom. Now once you get your bottom covered on both of these, that's my first layer. Then I'm going to take the leftover that I have inside of here. See? I have about 1.5 cups left over, and I'm going to add to that my sweetened whipping cream. And I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of that per pie. And then I'm going to mix this up. Now this is going to be my second layer. And the only thing that you really need to do is to just fold this in. Now you're going to need to refrigerate this for about an hour to allow it to sit and to get firm. So this is going to be my second layer. Okay, now once you blended that up good enough, see, it's just a lighter color than my complete lemon layer. So this is my second layer. So I'm going to go ahead and add on top my second layer. Now once I complete adding my second layer on, then I'm going to put on my third layer. Now I've shown you this is so easy. Can't mess it up. But it's a good dessert. And we need it too, because as you know, I have a large family, so I need to have 2. Okay, now once I get on my second layer, then I'm going to apply, I'm going to mix this up just a little bit, then I'm going to apply my third layer. have some cut slices of lemon over here that I'm going to add to the pie, and I have some zest from the lemon that I'm also going to add to the pie. Now, how simple was that? There it is. And here comes my third layer. Now, once I get this third layer put on, then I'm going to refrigerate it. And after I refrigerate it, then I'll bring it back and I'll cut one of them. I'm going to need to get my zest out of the refrigerator. So that I can put it on along with my pieces of lemon. Alrighty. Now I made this, and as you can see, I never moved from the table. Now I got some sprinkles of zest. Only thing I want to do is just move that over. And I have some pieces of lime. There is one. And there is two. Okay, now the only thing else I'm going to do is to put this in my refrigerator, give it about 30 minutes, and then I'll just bring it back and I'll show you what it looks like. Now you do know that this covering, for those of you who don't know, this is the covering from the plastic that's actually holding firm the graham cracker crust when you buy it in the store. So all you do is just take the label out of it, and then you just, when it, you know, you use it as a cover for your pie. So I'm gonna go away, put this in my refrigerator, allow it to get cold, and once it does, I'll bring it back and show you what this looks like. Be right back. Okay, I'm back, and we needed to end the video, but as you can see, I took off without you. We've already tasted it. Just wanted to come back and show you what it actually looks like. Okay, even though there's not much left in the container because we kind of ate it up. It was good. Just wanted to come back and show you what it looks like once you slice into it. There you have it. Chris is making 3-layer no-bake lemon pie. And as always, thank you for watching. Chris Cook for you too. Bye.